Okay, here's two complex rational expressions that we need to simplify. So we have to look and see where the two fractions are. So there's the main fraction line. So I have one fraction there and another fraction there. So I want to take a look at the denominators of each of those fractions and get a common denominator. So I have x, y, and x. Those are my denominators. The common denominator will just be x, y. Okay, you need to have each factor that's there the most number of times that it occurs in any factorization. So I have 1x, so I need 1x. 1y, no y, I need at least 1y. So that's my common denominator. So I'll take and I'll multiply both the top and the bottom fractions by that. So I have x squared minus 16y squared over xy, and I have x plus 4y over x. So I'll take and I'll multiply this by xy, and really it's xy over 1, and multiply this by xy over 1. Almost forgot my fraction line. So on the top fraction, the xy's cancel. And so all I'm left with is x squared minus 16y squared over 1. But over 1 you don't need to write. So this will just be x squared minus 16y squared. Over, on the bottom, the x cancels, but the y stays. So on the bottom I'll have x plus 4y times y. At this point I'm feeling pretty good with myself. But I can go one step further, because this top is a difference of squares. So I could factor that into two brackets. X minus 4y and x plus 4y over x plus 4y times y. So you can probably see that the x plus 4y's will cancel. So my final answer will be x minus 4y over y. Here's another one to try. You might want to pause the video and try this one, and then press play and see if you get it right. Okay, similarly, I have xy as a denominator and x, so the common denominator again will be xy. So I'll multiply top and bottom by xy, like over 1. So in the first one, the xy's cancel, so the top is just going to be x squared minus y squared. The bottom, just the x will cancel, so it'll be left with x plus y times y. And again, I can factor that top. It's a difference of squares. X minus y, x plus y, over x plus y times y. These cancel. Final answer, x minus y over y. Okay, hopefully that helped you with those complex fractions.